Hello everyone, I am Zhi of the National Cadet Corps in Jurong West Secondary School. Are you looking for a CCA that develops your leadership skills and character through fun and adventure? Join me as I bring you through some highlights of NCC in JWSS. Let's go!
Hello everyone, I'm Hiskel of NCC. Let me share more about what we do during our weekly training sessions. Under the guidance of our teachers in charge, Seoh and I plan the weekly training sessions. Periodically, we also take part in trainings organized by HQ NCC. Oh yes, NCC holds our training sessions every Friday from 3:45 p.m. to 6:15 p.m. Let's look at some of these training sessions.
Thank you for joining us today. I hope that you have a better understanding of NCC. If you have any further queries, please feel free to contact any of my teachers in charge. To my Sec 1 juniors, grab this opportunity to develop yourself holistically through the many unique experiences in NCC. See you in NCC.